Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. My name is James, and here at 20th and 21st Movies, we are about all things cinema. She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, the series on Disney Plus, episode 4 is in. Is this real magic? Episode 4, mid-season report coming up here. How do I feel about this episode? Well, let's talk about it. This is an episode that featured Benedict Wong again. He's back as Wong, Sorcerer Supreme, and this is a client of Jennifer Walters. Jennifer Walters is, of course, an attorney at law. She also happens to be She-Hulk. She's the cousin of Bruce Banner. She got her powers in episode 1 of this series. So if you haven't been following this series on Disney Plus, I definitely recommend checking out the first 3 episodes of this series. But at this point in the series, we're getting more of Jennifer Walters' life. And one of the things I really like about this series is that, again, as I said before in previous discussions on this series, it doesn't take itself too seriously. It's just having fun with Jennifer Walters, with this character She-Hulk, with the idea of this young woman in her 30s who gets these superpowers and can turn into a 6'7" green She-Hulk, and just how she's balancing her professional life as an attorney, her life as a superhero, and whether or not she really wants to be a superhero, and just dealing with all the issues of a typical 30-year-old young person in terms of dating life and handling her family and all the situations that go on for someone at that stage of life. I love how this series deals with and tackles those different things. So in this episode, we have another court case. In this case, Benedict Wong is suing this younger apprentice sorcerer who is misusing the mystical arts in ways that could be harmful to the universe. So Benedict Wong employs the aid of Jennifer Walters as an attorney, and Jennifer Walters files a cease and desist order. And so we see the court action where, they bring this sorcerer in, Johnny Blaze. He's causing all kinds of trouble. He was a student in the Carmitage School of Magic that Benedict Wong is involved with as a teacher, but he's gone rogue and he's doing some crazy things that he shouldn't be doing, and it could threaten the balance of the universe. So he's got to be stopped. Can Jennifer Walters stop him in a court of law? So I really enjoy the legal aspect of this show, how it deals with things like cease and desist order and, just lighthearted lawyer type stuff, but then laces in the superhero action, Jennifer's personal life. We see the whole online dating, social dating, dating app scene going on, and how she's trying the dating scene as both Jennifer Walters, but then also gets the idea to enter a dating profile as She-Hulk. So I thought that was interesting, and it's just a really fun series, how it incorporates all these different elements of Jennifer Walters' life and just fleshes her out as a character. Again, she's breaking the fourth wall in this episode. It's not too much, it's not overdone, it's just enough. She'll turn to the camera and talk directly to the audience, and it just shows that she's self-aware, that she is a television show, she is a comic book character, and I really like that aspect of She-Hulk Attorney at Law. So again, this is another fun, interesting episode. I have no idea where this series is ultimately going to go. Of course, I think at some point Charlie Cox is supposed to make an appearance as Daredevil, I guess, as Matt Murdock. We shall see when that happens. I know that's happening later on in the series. But other than that, I really don't know what's going to happen next, but I'm very interested to see. I really liked the handling of Benedict Wong's character. Of course, he likes watching TV shows. He likes watching The Sopranos. And one of the characters that I think he's dating or seeing, who got caught up in some mess with Johnny Blaze's magic, she ends up seeing Wong, and they end up spending time together watching episodes of The Sopranos. And it's funny watching her kind of spoil the episodes, telling Wong about what's happening in these upcoming episodes and basically spoiling it for him. So I thought that was funny, but it's just another fun episode, another fun installment in this series, and definitely looking forward to more. But let me know in the comment section what you think about She-Hulk episode 4 of this series, She-Hulk Attorney at Law. And what do you think about this series so far? We're at the midpoint of the series. What is your mid-season assessment of this series? So far, I give this a solid, I don't want to grade it, but I would just say it's solid entertainment. I really enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the rest of the series has to offer in the final 5 episodes. But let me know what you think in the comment section below, and as always, we'll look forward to seeing you next time at the movies, and hope you have a great day. Peace.